Welcome back. Let's now look at integrate. This is another place where you'll be spending a lot of time doing development. The difference between develop and integrate is that develop is a place where you'll be writing a lot of transformation. The transformation, as we said, could be using SQL, Custo query language, notebooks, or data flows. But in integrate, you will be creating pipelines. If you're familiar with Azure Data Factory, it is exactly the same pipelines. But you'll be creating the pipelines here. The pipelines help you bring data from external sources into your data lake, and also they help you orchestrate your transformations as well. So that's what you will be doing here. In order to create a pipeline, you come over to the top and click on the plus and then click pipeline. So you've got a blank canvas here, which you can use to build your pipeline. But before we start looking at the pipeline, let's talk about the other options there. So the other option you've got is link connection and copy data tool. But that is not a blank canvas you will get out of that. That is a wizard, and you follow the wizard through, and then it creates a pipeline for you. But if you're a data engineer, most of the time you're going to be creating your own pipelines from scratch like this. So similar to the SQL, you can just give a name and then you've got a number of activities here that you can use. So that's a rich set of activities, so you can execute a Synapse notebook, Spark job definition, or a SQL pool stored procedure, so you can invoke them from a pipeline here, and also you can copy data from one system to here. All you have to do is just pull them over into the pin here, and you've got a pipeline, and then you can chain things together as well. So if you want to copy data and then execute a data flow following that, you'll just put that over there and then link the two. We'll create some pipelines for our project later down the course, but in this session, I just wanted to give you a quick overview of what you can do. So this pipeline is not going to be valid because I don't have any sources and things like that defined. So it's going to fail if I try to publish, so I'm just going to discard this pipeline. So in order to discard something, so at the moment, as you can see here, publish all, and then in yellow you've got one. What that means is actually you've got one and saved notebook or a pipeline or something in your workspace. So in order to discard that, all you would have to do is come over to the top right here and then click on the delete button here, and that discards everything. So if you do discard change, just that you just disappear. So that's the end of this session, and I'll see you in the next one.